Welcome to Mamelodi Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit www.mamelodi10shopi.com. Eitada. Hola. Caballero. This is Mamelodi Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Richards Bay 0. My brother, how's it?
Hey, boy, too.
It's Ox.
Le randa na melezi.
Ya wanna usere 200 rand ngwe gima ya Sundowns.
What's $100 dollar.
$100 oring.
Yeah, gonna nyawo bosa something $100 dollar.
Yeah.
Gonna dia thulan. $100 dollar.
Yeah, di thulane.
Yeah, bila Sundowns dollar. Le American US dollar.
Oh yeah. What's your take on the game?
40 randa, ya bona ke 22 randa against randa South Africa. But Sundowns is 42 rand. So I can America. So it's an equal. Ragadi's are not less.
Let's change.
America matati. Sundowns feel to the world. Or I'm there. Yo, Trump na kopela Sundowns is kata yi.
Listen to print haramu.
Muge. No, enjoy approve.
Or not coma more.
No, it's approved.
But I na signature, I sign nigga man. Where's that?
It's a nigga dev.
Signature
level number. O ka Google. Ina le mdeva ka mara.
Tenda utobona mora coma.
Deva, what's your take about the game tonight?
The game.
Yeah.
My take on the game is Sundowns 3, Richards Bay 0. Agar narvale.
Lebala ba opela.
Renarvale. Ar le ko mara ke bone se.
Yeah.
Ke a ke tslo re ko re ma. Mara ke tslo re win.
Exactly.
So yeah.
Sale so gorilla tembola jo.
Yeah, ke utlile ba re korile. And let's ka monyatsa.
Le tso re la rene monyane.
Re ka senye 63 or 53 million for mahala. Next rena we can buy. Motho sale ra flopa ke o la sala zaya. Nka se bitse lebitso la sala flopa mara. From now a re ke malemang. Le ba re le bona ka World Cup.
Yeah.
Ora sa franco.
Zagala bona utlwella ne. On a serious note ne.
Yeah.
Nakwe the supporters of Chiefs. The supporter Chiefs the supporter the Salsenyani. Chiefs win a good. Pirates really the same. Sundowns right now is winning. What can you do to make sure you reach that standard? Teams also on Chiefs the Pirates because of this team in need a support as serious.
Support it.
No, I think. To be honest, if I think fella have no free ticket, yellow what. That's a fact. But
you know why?
Kamulao, my brother, I think you need to make happy. Kahore letla stadium each and every game.
It has changed. Maybe nani go arabela something.
Arsamira happy, mirile happy, utsamele okay fara samala sale Sundowns. Ba tle ba motsentsha mo tabeng tsa rena. No re re happy. But
how are you going to make him happy?
Netting di supporter tsa rena vele. Eish, ara support team ya rena. Team ya rena ya win weekend out. Bona.
Ona njonga le bone tlo. Lena le tlo. Kenya go botsa ntšhoa. Wa hopola na go re hola. Re hola. Bo papa rena ba ne ba sa dlale ball ne le ena o etse mo modima trapeng ne re witshwantse ba re so no shoot a picture ba re so
na zanga ba ngira tse
ya no ona la agenda engwe ne ba push snacks and then dining ne hatela batho ba ba mo South Africa ne so now wena ona le bana ba 2 or 3 or 4 ke madawana ona le ngwana maybe ke sure ba bedi ke sure ba rate Chiefs Lena ka Foster. So, nje wane ke nyawo mmotsa yona. Yes, Lena ngero mana ke generation ari na. But yena
generation ka komunyane thata mo wena. On fita ka 32 years.
Mana ke na 32.
Yeah, ke re tseke ke tsa pudi.
So ke nyawo mara ba something.
Yeah.
Ngobo, uso ne. Re ka sere Sundowns ana support. Ina support of it. If I na support, why ever stadium se ne wara mahala and batho ba tlala so.
Okay, also sorry. Can how support or ing? Support doesn't mean when you are called with a free ticket, you must come. But you must support them free or
100 rand.
No. Something. Say Lord, give like a generation. No, give let's go back.
Yeah.
Ne? Cabella Renalba. Heganava 3. Banava Stadium. Come to Sundowns and Jalaga. The game 10 Mukwidi. Now will come. Marabana was it. Ne? Lena, let Okalabella Sundowns Chiefs Ratifar. Ratala 70 games in Muay, Lena Jala 30 games Muay. So Lena Lota Stadium. Rena, Emabil. No, Emabil. Udwell. Uskahan, Ergo something. Ngane way Lucas. Catch Gorata. I get? Kitlem. Kispendilo guy. You don't know.
157.
Neda. Weekend Rata. Cape Town. I'll be in Cape Town. One hour as a Cape Town. Go look at 7,000 maybe.
Sundowns, I support the Wanafela. No, you are wrong. No, Utwala story. Kenya go, what's our Sundowns? It's like $10 million. Dan kam ko na no Sundowns sonzi supporter in so serious ko ira ichi ga motho moane ema be artse ngwana skela ka sa 20 games za Sundowns 3 in a row never. Bon, it's not about it's not ngwana's game.
What arbe
joke.
No, it's serious. No, it's a serious matter. Utlwala ke bolela ka ntho one ngwana wa skela ugu TUTA o favor Sundowns ne Sundowns o dlala ka jeko he fetsa beketla izin beketla ka tshikola kwa ke labra saterta ya dlala hapa hona ka mo Loftus ngwana o tshwanza travel a tlemo a tse chelete ya hae e ba mo fa yona ya dijo
There's a different the whole night.
No, but
at this point because of Aunya go ba honest, and I'm trying to assist in terms
honesty ya ka ke nyo go botsa yona ke re there's no way stadium o se re ka tlatsa ka di games tsa rena tse di dlalang.
No, I mean, that's my point.
Something, this is now sound like a broken record. Ya taba ya ho bolela ka Sundowns le supportera lo tlatsa stadium.
And then the games are all the game.
This no, I want to answer this question once and for all.
And
answering everyone who's been saying or commenting ka Sundowns or Raina supporter. This propaganda, ne, Josie, this propaganda e ba bolelang ka yona. I even heard Mudau a bolela hore ho win the team tse di senang support. Sundowns have support.
You guys don't know this.
Support. Even ka game ya, listen, even the game o bolelang ka yona ya Al Ali, ne, Sundowns and on a Tuesday. It was only a portion. That game was payable. We bought tickets.
Okay, but
let me answer you.
Okay.
Ne? We bought tickets. Ne? It was Good Friday. That game. Let's take this account. Ne? It was Good Friday. The stadium was 70 to 75% full. Kari supporters are Sundowns so fail.
I hear you, sorry to interject, but my point here is that you guys are choosing the games. I know that you have got a lot of supporters.
And there's a lot of games.
It doesn't matter or a lot of games.
There's money involved.
My brother. How will like money involved? Pirate. It's a stadium now.
Yes,
Orlando Stadium. Yeah. Every game you are pirate just start.
To interject you, ne? To interject you in terms of support. Ne? What you saying? Sundowns supporters on the game ya Kef had more supporters than Pirate.
No. I understand.
So Ribolelaga, we compare potatoes and potatoes. Ne? Final game. Sundowns. Sundowns had a better support than Pirate.
No. But what I'm saying, ne? I think I'll just say this for the last time,
for sure.
And I want to come to you, my brother. My point is, you have a lot of supporters.
Yeah, we do.
You understand?
Yeah.
That's a fact. My point is, you choose the games. You don't.
Why? You know why?
Like for instance, tonight, you were maybe less than 15,000. Yeah.
Sharp.
At home. And you are on the verge to win the league. You are on the verge to win the CAF. You are going to USA now.
No
you understand?
No. Utlwele point ke bolela. ngobo ke bereka gardening mfethu ke rata Sundowns e dlala game tse 7 and tse 10 mo kgweding. Do you think tlo di atso tsotlhe?
No, it's not about Horiato Zotli.
Yeah.
You are not all garden boys or whatever.
I'm just
but
saying.
my point here is there are games that go Atteridgeville. Mo ileng hore supporters can walk into that stadium.
Atteridgeville.
Yeah, exactly.
O lega batho ba Atteridgeville.
No. I'm just giving you an example. Yeah, hore it's not about the money.
It is about the money.
It is. Seriously.
Let me assist you.
Money talks.
You jog my memo.
Money talks, me.
Once you are Josie.
Yeah.
Sundowns. If ne
We can
Sundowns
talk. Yeah.
ne Josie. What he said no, it depends on the environment. Play.
Yes.
If Sundowns ne
Yeah.
in go for example Pirate idlala go kai games go Orlando. Where is Pirate based? Orlando
Park Town.
Orlando.
No. Park Town the office.
Yeah.
I want you to understand.
No, but remember,
To understand what I'm saying.
All right, okay.
Once Orlando Pirate
Yeah.
plays in Orlando Stadium. Once Mamelodi Sundowns, it plays in a neutral venue, which is town or Atteridgeville.
Yeah.
But it's based. Its core supporters ne are from Mamelodi. You understand?
Yeah.
The only time that you'll see Sundowns will fill up a stadium every day it plays allow Sundowns to have a stadium go HMP.
But
Remember, it's also political. It's also political.
I get your point.
And it's a point.
Masipala Motsepe tried Mr. Motsepe, Dr. Motsepe.
Doctor, yeah.
Ne, let me also respect.
Yeah.
Ne, attempted ne to build a stadium.
Yeah.
Go Mamelodi.
Yeah.
Because he knows her supporters are Sundowns.
Basically.
It will be close. I don't have a thing ya ke concern ya hotel petrol or namela taxi ya gaming. I don't have who spend energy aga inch.
Yeah.
It's close by.
Yeah. But
Wa understand grabang. The only time you nalo ena re ka bolelang hape ka supporters sa Sundowns.
Yeah.
It is Sundowns in the stadium ko Mamelodi. You will see the two colors.
No, it's fine. I hear your points and
in closing,
I'm not gonna be.
In closing,
Yeah.
what Josie is saying to you in terms of a capital, ne? That's the great answer that you can get.
No, thank you so much. I understand you, and you're talking.
What's your problem?
No problem.
Okay, guys, I can smell the truth in you. Another truth. And then what's your take?
Problem? I want to talk the truth. What's your problem?
What's your problem?
My problem is
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns Kacheko.
Yeah.
Arena Stadium ko Mamelodi because of white.
All right.
Right.
Okay.
Motsepe ba mokhiela. Motsepe na ya go lukisa gore dilo di be Stellenbosch Mamelodi di be wet. Ba mokhia.
Dibe Cape Town. Your point on this thing, I know you have got a point there.
Yeah. What's my point again? My point kuri. Re number Masandawana.
Yeah.
L'expector tlatse stadium. Really 57.
Yeah.
Iconal. Good night.
But thank you so much for engaging.
Sundowns supporters usually, honestly speaking, we are bargaining keyboard warriors.
Yeah.
I always say,
Twitter,
we are keyboard warriors. Sundowns has a number of supporters. Even if go Mamelodi, you get the sport, the sports say long hor, it's full.
It's a lot.
There's a lot of pubs. It's full. All those pubs were the plasma.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpi.com.